This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming whether your desktop uses SATA drives or an M.2 2280 slot. Open the case with a Phillips screwdriver and unplug the power cable first. Locate available SATA ports and a free power connector on the PSU. If you have only 3 5-inch bays, get a 3 5-inch to 2 5-inch adapter bracket for a 2 5-inch SSD. If using M.2, check for standoffs and a mounting screw in the M.2 slot area. Back up important files before proceeding with any hardware changes. If installing a 2 5-inch SATA SSD, secure it into the bracket using 4 small screws. Slide the bracket into an empty 3 5-inch bay and fasten the bracket to the chassis. Connect a SATA data cable from the SSD to an open motherboard SATA port. Attach a SATA power cable from the PSU directly to the SSD power connector. For an M.2 2280 drive, insert the module at a 30-degree angle into the M.2 slot, press down and secure with the provided M.2 screw. Power on the PC and enter BIOS to confirm the new SSD appears among storage devices. If you want the SSD as a boot drive, change boot priority to the new SSD in BIOS. In Windows, open Disk Management to initialize the drive using GPT or MBR as needed. Create partitions and format volumes using NTFS for Windows systems. To transfer your OS, use cloning software to copy the old drive to the SSD or perform a fresh Windows install. Reconnect cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.